This week's current topic, restore versus reform. Now, I'll start with you, the politician or former politician.
Former politician.
What do you make of this?
Well, I think it's quite sad for people on the right of politics because the only possible consequence of the right of politics being divided is that it's going to allow the left in politics to get back in again. And if you take the view, as Conservatives presumably do, that the damage to the country is being done by socialism, then the focus should be on removing socialism rather than on fighting and squabbling amongst people who are pretty like-minded.
Yeah.
Exactly. The thing is, what seems to have happened, and look, I'm not privy to what's happened between Rupert Lowe and Reform when he was in Reform and Nigel. I have no idea. But clearly there's been a massive falling out, I think is the least you can say, about between Nigel Farage and Rupert Lowe. Mm-hmm. And we seem to have got into the situation where Rupert Lowe, who I don't know, by the way, I've never met Rupert.
I've met him.
I don't know him. So I can't. I'm not speaking with from any personal perspective. It seems that his top priority in politics at the moment is to stop Nigel Farage from becoming Prime Minister, and
the argument for that was his top priority is deporting. It's just taking a stronger stance on immigration. That will be his argument. Well, just speaking for him.
Yes, no, I agree that, but it seems as a layman, like I say, I've got no, I'm not involved in this particular battle, so I've got.
Oh, you must be laughing.
No, I'm not. I'm far from laughing because the only people who are going to benefit, to my mind, are socialists.
Yeah, Greens.
But possibly, but the thing is, it seems to me as a layman that Rupert Lowe is determined that he is going to make sure that Nigel Farage does not become Prime Minister. He obviously thinks he's unsuitable to be Prime Minister, and he's going to stop it from happening. And it seems that that's the motivation for setting up a rival political party. Rupert Lowe can have different views. If everyone who had a different view set up their own political party, we'd have 650 members of Parliament in their own political party, because I couldn't handpick somebody and agree with them on everything. It's impossible. So he doesn't have to set up a new political party because he disagrees on one particular policy issue or two particular policies. Yeah. He's done it because he clearly wants to damage Nigel Farage politically. And I think that's sad for the right of politics that we get into that. And I do hope that by the time of the general election that the Conservative Party, Reform and Restore find their way somehow to come to some kind of electoral arrangement which will make sure that socialism isn't the victor at that election.